right. That's right. Yo, dude.
I have to take no medication for this. I have 0 prescriptions.
Bob, what you take? You don't have high blood pressure, Bob? Dude, that's wonderful, boy. Nothing? Yeah, he ought to be frowning. 23 to 7.
He about to be.
Yeah, he is. Jerry Jones is mad. He's upset. Yeah, he did, like he always do. Like he always do.
House smells good.
Yes, it do.
Last time I cooked like this was for Ruth's birthday.
For real?
Ruth's 30th birthday. When she turned 30, man, we had about 20 people over here.
Ooh, that many? Oh, don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh.
I cooked all night long. We barbecued. And man,
That's what I started to tell you to do.
I damn near did it.
I'm talking about that's when I started to tell you to do barbecue. Yes.
Yes, you'll eat at the table.
Yes.
Whatever I need to do. And I got a couple of guys that work here that I've met.